Welcome back, everybody. We're in Chapter 5 on Learning Unit 5-1. In Question 1, we write equations for the following. We'll use the letter Q as the variable, but we don't have to solve for the unknowns. So in number 1, 9 less 1/2 a number is 14. Well, if you take the setup for the equation, 1/2 Q, 1/2 of some number minus 9 equals 14. In B, 8 times the sum of a number and 31 is 50. So here, 8 parenthesis, some number Q plus 31 end parenthesis equals 50. C, 10 decreased by twice a number is 2. So to set this up, you put the number 10 minus 2 times the letter Q equals 2. D, 8 times a number less 2 equals 21. To set up the equation, 8Q, or 8 times Q, minus 2 equals 21. E, the sum of 4 times a number and 2 is 15. So in E, we have 4Q plus 2 equals 15. In letter F, if twice a number is decreased by 8, the difference is 4. So in this case, 2Q minus 8 equals 4. In question number 2, solve the following. B plus 24 equals 16. See, we see the addition sign, so what do? The opposite, subtraction. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So subtract 24 from both sides, giving you B equals 36. In B, D plus 3D equals 240. Combine all the D's, it's 4D equals 240. That means 4 times a D equals 240. Therefore, we see multiplication. What do? Divide both sides by 4. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, giving D equals 60. In letter C, 12B equals 144. That's multiplication, so what do? The opposite. Divide both sides by 12. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, leaving B equal to 12. In letter D, B over 6 equals 50. Here we take what? We're going to multiply both sides by 6. Whatever you do to one side, you're going to do to the other. It's the opposite of division, giving B equal to 300. In E, B over 4 plus 4 equals 16. So here we subtract 4 from both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Then we see divided by 4, so we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side, giving you B equals 48. In letter F, 3 times B minus 8 equals 18. 3 times B is 3B. 3 times minus 8 is minus 24 equals 18. Well, now that we see minus side, we have to do what? The opposite, which is what? Addition. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. We're going to add 24 to both sides, giving us 3B equals 42. Now hold on here. That's multiplication. So now we have to do what? Divide both sides by 3. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, giving us a B equal to 14.